All right, guys, so here we have our huevos rancheros. In just under 15 minutes, they are done. And they look so delicious. And it's perfect for breakfast or if you eat them like I do for dinner. Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you one of my favorite breakfasts to make, huevos rancheros. So I have half of a white onion chopped up, 3 Roma tomatoes, and 1 serrano pepper. You can also use jalapeno if you want to. And then I have 3 eggs. I have some butter, and lastly, whatever kind of tortilla you like. Most people I've seen, they fry up a corn tortilla, but I'm just gonna do a regular flour tortilla. So the first thing you wanna do is heat up your pan. And we're going to saute the onion and the pepper. And I'm just gonna do maybe like half a tablespoon of butter. Now, I'm actually having breakfast for dinner today, but if you prepare everything just like I did, you can have huevos rancheros in like 10 minutes in the morning. But sometimes I like having breakfast for dinner. So that's what we're doing. So I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And I'm gonna go ahead and add the tomatoes. I might add more later, but we're gonna see how juicy these tomatoes are, how much water they release. And it's probably gonna need more salt. I didn't put too much in there. And I'm also gonna crack some black peppercorns. This always reminds me of the Mexican flag, these colors.
Just need an eagle.
Yep. All right, I'm going to let that simmer for about 5 minutes and then we'll check back. Meanwhile, I'm going to heat up some tortillas. All right, so let's check back with our huevos rancheros. Oh, that looks so good. Smells really good too.
We're missing the huevos.
That's coming next. I'm gonna add a little more water so the eggs can cook very well. Alrighty, now we are gonna add the eggs in. And this is the hardest part because you don't want to break the yolk and you don't want to get any eggshells in here. So let's see if I can do it. So very carefully. Careful, careful, SpongeBob. Oh, I got one tiny piece of, oh my God, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it, don't lose it. There it is. Okay, I got it, I got it. There it is. Okay. I saved it, I saved it. All right, just add a little more salt to the egg. Okay. I could even do more eggs if I wanted to, but we're only gonna eat 3 of them, so that's probably good. And we'll just cover that and let it simmer. I put it all the way at low so it can just heat up with all the steam and all the juices and everything. Yay. Let me wash my hands. Ooh, yeah. So at this point, you can either leave them in a little bit longer if you don't want it to be too runny, or however you like your eggs. You could take them out earlier or afterwards, but this is pretty good for me. I think this is like a, what's this called? Like a over easy or over medium or something like that. I don't know. But that's how I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off and serve a plate. Okay. All right, guys, so here we have our huevos rancheros. In just under 15 minutes, they are done. And they look so delicious. And it's perfect for breakfast, or if you eat them like I do for dinner. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And let me know what else you guys want to see. Okay. I almost forgot to show you guys a taste test. So here we go. I put some queso fresco on top. You can even add crema or any other type of salsa. I already tasted it. It's really good. But let's taste it again. That's good. Breakfast for dinner. It's a good idea, okay? You guys should try it if you haven't yet.